You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this word in British English and American English. It's a word from French, Splendour. The British English pronunciation, however, is as splendor, splendor. Yes, the R is silent, at least in the UK. Splendor. Now, in American English, in the US, the pronunciation, how to pronounce in American English, splendor. So it's not splendour, splendor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.